Let me ask you a question. How was your December holidays? And how was January for you? I know February is just coming to an end. Have you managed to recover from your January effect? Now, there's good news. CBK has released the prospectus for the March 2025 auction. And guess what? It pays coupons in December. As in, now we have a chance to invest in a treasury bond that will be paying our Christmas holidays. So that come January, we are not broke. Watu wengine wakisema, oh, January, you have money. Why? Because you received a coupon in December. So in this video, in today's episode, we are going to be reviewing this treasury bond that will be paying us coupons in December, just before we go on Christmas and June, right? This is FXD1 2018-25. This was a 25-year paper that was first auctioned in the year 2018, and so the remaining tenor to maturity is 18.3 years. It has a coupon rate of 13.4%, which translates to a net coupon rate of 12.06%. Yeah, like I have told you, it pays coupons in the month of June and in the month of December. Now, it's open for auction already. The bid closure date will be on 5th March. And the prospectus says that the auction date will be on 10th March. However, I think there's a mistake in that. Remember, this is a new format of the prospectus. Initially, the prospectus had this format. Now, CBK has released it in this format. I think it's possible that whoever did the prospectus must have made a mistake and indicated the auction date as 10th March instead of 5th March and the settlement date to be 10th March. Why? Because we cannot be checking on our results, auction results, on 7th March, yet the auction is happening on 10th March. So that is a mistake that whoever did the prospectus made. It's an oversight rather. So the bid's closure date is on 5th March, and even though CBK's the prospectus says that the auction date will be happening on 10th, normally the auction happens on the day after the bid closure date. So the auction date is not 10th, it will be on 5th March. So come 7th March, the results will be out, and you'll be able to get your transaction code for you to remit your payment to CBK by 10th of March. So don't wait until past 5th March for you to put your bid. Bids close on 5th March and settlement is on 10th March. Now, I am aware, it has been brought to my attention that a couple of my followers or a couple of clients who bank with a specific commercial bank, I'll not mention which one, had a challenge with their settlements. In other words, they remitted they went to the bank, executed the instructions for that bank specifically to remit payment to CBK, and money was deducted from the accounts, but payment did not hit CBK. I think there was an error somewhere, yeah, in the transactions. So are you one of these guys? So this is an opportunity for us to earn coupons, passive income in the month of December. Are you taking this up? Remember, like I told you, it's an 18-year paper. It has 18 years to maturity, and it pays net coupon of 12%. How did I get the 12%? It has a tax rate of 10%, right? So do you think that this is a treasury bond that you might be interested in earning 12% for the next 18 years? But is it cast on stone? Of course not. You can always sell it in the secondary market, or you can go back to CBK for rediscounting. However, remember, at the point of sale, in the secondary market, if the market rates are higher, you'll have to sell it at a discount. But if the market rates are lower, you could be lucky to sell it at a premium, right? So do you feel or do you think that this paper aligned to your objectives? And is 12% an interest rate that you'll be comfortable to earn for the remaining tenor of the period of the paper, the 18 years, over a period of 18 years rather? Even though we know that you can always sell it in the secondary market, or you can go back to CBK for discounting and you get your money. How much will you get back? I don't know, because it will depend on the market rates on the date that when you'll be selling this paper. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about it, right? Now, at the same time, it's critical for me to mention or to remind you that just like you can sell this paper in the secondary market, you can also go to the secondary market and buy other papers, buy treasury bonds in the secondary market from people who are offloading their papers of higher coupons or even of a lower coupon. If you go to the secondary market today to buy the IFB that had 18.5%, for every 100 shillings, you're likely to pay 125 shillings. If you had invested 1 million, you are likely to pay the seller of that paper 1.2 million, right? Or maybe 1.3 million, depending on the interest accrued on that paper. The dirty price rather. Okay? So, do you think that this is a paper that you'd like to take? Or you'd rather go to the secondary market and take a higher coupon paper and pay the discount? At a personal level, I'll be taking this paper, though a little bit of it, because I need to earn some coupons in the month of December. I don't want to strain when I'm going for my holidays. And remember, school fees comes knocking in January. And that is one thing that I don't ever want to be stressed with. So because this is aligned to my objectives, and because the coupon that is paid on this paper is sufficient to cushion me from inflation, I'll be taking a small portion of it, of this paper. What about you? Is this something that you like to take? Do let me know in the comment section, and let's meet on the next video.